Hello, Moon Babes. It's time to feel lucky because luck is on your side with this moon's incredible, loving, and supportive energy. Sit up nice and tall, and if you can, sit in a place where the moon can shine down on you and your energies can intertwine, taking in a nice deep breath. And as you slowly, very slowly and completely exhale, allow your eyes to close. Come into this moment, and as you sit, imagine all of your chakras turned on, all of your energy centers open and connecting with the earth, the moon, and the universe, pouring love and luck into you, allowing you moments to gain wisdom and growth opportunities, knowing that with this full moon, relationship challenges will be highlighted. And when this happens, remember, you are exceptional and you can handle emotions and challenges that show up in your relationships. Remember what's important to you, how you want others to feel when they're with you, when they're around you, when they're friends with you, when they're loved by you. And who do you want to be in your relationships? Remember that you can show up as you want to be, as you are, even during challenging times. I invite you to take a moment and make a commitment to yourself. State your name and then say, I commit to, and then make that commitment and honor that commitment over the next few weeks. As your energy flows and expands and moves through any challenges, any frustrations, any disappointments, any unmet expectations. Remember who you are and what matters to you in the dark and in the light. This moon's energy is whispering to you that growth is happening for you. Celebrate this. Recognize it as increased wisdom that contributes to increased riches and increased health. Every challenge you experience is for your journey, your growth, your remembering of who you are and who you want to be and what matters to you. The moon also whispers to you, it's time to create more opportunities to receive and give love, especially for yourself and the relationships that you value the most. So I invite you, the moon invites you, the universe invites you, your spirit team invites you to expand your heart center and allow the flow of love to increase, flowing into you, flowing out of you, with a deeper understanding, with deeper and expansive compassion for yourself and for others. The moon reminds you to keep your focus on what you can control as you journey through the next 2 weeks. And the more you focus on what you can control, the luckier you become. The more luck will flow your way, the more blessings you receive, and as gratitude is activated more and more, you draw in, you invite in more luck, more blessings, more of the wonderful things you want to experience, the growth that supports your journey in the most beautiful way, and the opportunities to contribute in the ways that mean the most to you. I invite you now to take a moment and become aware of the areas that you can control, that you can influence. And make a commitment to yourself to focus on what you can control, to change your responses to what you cannot control, to release the expectation that you can control it all, and allow peace to fill you instead of disappointment and uncertainty. And the moon's energy whispers to you, you are loved, you matter, you're enough. Good things are on their way to you. You are strong, you are capable, you are everything you wish you were. You already are lovable, beautiful, brilliant. You make a difference in this world. Remember who you are. And as you notice your breath flowing in and flowing out, thank the moon, thank the universe, thank yourself for all the ways you make a difference in your life, for all of the love, the support, and the opportunities to grow, to expand your love, your capabilities of loving, giving love, receiving love, understanding others, and choosing compassion over unrealistic expectations. And when you're ready, go ahead and open your eyes, knowing that you are loved and you are incredibly lucky. Luck flows to you constantly. This is Steph. Thank you so much for spending this time with me. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel for more inner journeys. And I am sending you endless love until next time.